In recent years, the movement towards sustainability has garnered significant attention, urging individuals and designers alike to rethink their relationships with materials and consumption, especially within urban environments. The concept of urban foraging, transforming discarded city materials into high-end, sellable decor, emerges as a compelling answer to the challenges of consumerism and waste management. By engaging in this practice, artisans and craftsmen are not only finding beauty and potential in overlooked resources, but also creating sophisticated, functional art pieces that resonate with contemporary aesthetics. This process begins with a deep appreciation for the intrinsic value of found objects, which often include reclaimed metal, forgotten architectural fragments, discarded furniture, and various other materials that would typically be overlooked or discarded in the hustle and bustle of city life. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The first step in this transformative journey involves recognizing the potential within discarded urban materials. A rusted piece of metal, once an inconspicuous part of urban infrastructure, can be reimagined as a stunning wall sculpture or an industrial-style table. The beauty of these materials lies not only in their physical attributes, but also in their stories, the journeys they have taken, and the environments they have inhabited. By preserving these narratives, artisans are crafting decor that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also rich in historical context. Elevating these found objects into high-end decor requires a keen eye for design and a willingness to experiment with innovative techniques that can breathe new life into what was once considered waste. A key component of this process involves employing various artistic methods that showcase the unique characteristics of reclaimed materials. Techniques such as welding, and woodworking can be combined to create stunning home accents that would fit seamlessly into modern living spaces. For instance, an old wooden door can be transformed into a chic coffee table by repurposing its rich textures and grain patterns, while metal scraps can be bent and shaped into intricate light fixtures that cast unique shadows on walls. The juxtaposition of materials, wood against metal, rough textures against smooth surfaces, adds an exciting dimension to these creations, emphasizing the beauty found in contrasts and imperfections. In addition to innovative crafting techniques, the emphasis on sustainable design plays a crucial role in the appeal of these urban foraged decor pieces. In an era where environmental concerns are at the forefront, consumers are increasingly seeking products that reflect their values. By giving new life to discarded materials, artisans promote a message of sustainability and mindful consumption. Each crafted piece tells a story of reclamation, urging buyers to consider their own consumption habits and the impact of waste on the environment. Furthermore, sourcing materials locally reduces the carbon footprint associated with transportation, making these offerings even more appealing to eco-conscious consumers. This alignment of values creates a strong connection between the maker, the creation, and the buyer, ultimately enhancing the allure of high-end decor fashioned from urban debris. As artisans continue to explore and innovate within the realm of urban foraging, they also reveal the inherent beauty of overlooked city treasures. Each object carries a unique aesthetic that can be accentuated through thoughtful design choices. For example, a piece of reclaimed metal may exhibit intricate rust patterns that, when paired with polished wood or glass, creates a striking contrast. This intentional combination of materials not only enhances the visual appeal, but also contributes to a narrative that speaks to the history and experience of urban life. These aspects resonate with individuals looking for decor that is more than just functional, pieces that tell a story, invoke emotion, and foster a deeper connection to the environment. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Showcasing these innovative techniques and the transformative power of urban foraging can take many forms. Art galleries, pop-up shops, and online platforms provide spaces where artisans can present their creations, allowing potential buyers to experience the artistry firsthand. Workshops and community events also serve as invaluable opportunities to engage the public in the process of crafting with reclaimed materials. By inviting individuals to participate in the creation of decor, artisans foster a sense of ownership and appreciation for the craftsmanship involved. This immersive experience not only opens the door for learning, but also inspires others to view discarded materials through a new lens, encouraging wider participation in the urban foraging movement. Furthermore, collaborations between artisans and local businesses can amplify the reach of these high-end decor pieces. By partnering with cafes, restaurants, and boutiques, artisans can display their work in environments where potential customers can engage with the pieces in everyday settings. This organic interaction can lead to increased awareness and appreciation for urban foraging, ultimately driving demand for sustainable decor options. Additionally, showcasing the process of crafting, from sourcing to final product, can be immensely valuable in educating consumers about the importance of sustainability and the extraordinary potential found within urban materials. The impact of transforming discarded urban materials into high-end decor goes beyond aesthetics and function. It also serves as a vital statement about our societal values and the implications of consumption. By championing the beauty of repurposing and sustainability, urban foragers are not just creating decor, they are fostering a cultural shift towards greater mindfulness in how we approach both design and waste. In a rapidly evolving urban landscape, the art of urban foraging serves as a reminder of the rich, untapped potential that lies within our surroundings, urging us to look beyond the surface and appreciate the stories held within each object we encounter. Ultimately, the transformation of discarded city materials into high-end, sellable decor breathes new life into the relationship between art, sustainability, and urban living. By embracing the beauty of overlooked materials, employing innovative crafting techniques, and promoting a message of conservation, artisans contribute to a larger movement that seeks to challenge prevailing notions of design and consumption. This narrative not only evokes a sense of appreciation for the inherent value of reclaimed objects, but also invites individuals to partake in a deeper conversation about our collective responsibility towards the environment and our communities. As the urban forager movement continues to flourish, it will undoubtedly inspire more individuals to see the beauty and potential within discarded materials, paving the way for a more sustainable and aesthetically enriching future. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.